Okay, here's the 68 Super Lead clone that I've had some problems with. You can see the build here. Some replaced parts just for testing, but the general layout has stayed the same. Here's the mains filter caps here and the screens here, and the rectifier, which has been sort of squeezed together to make room. Right now I'm just using an online tone generator, playing a 1000 Hertz sine wave, going into the amp bright channel. I'll manipulate the volume a little bit later. All tone controls on 10, presence on 5. And here's the oscilloscope. The lower trace is the input signal measured right here on before the 68K input grid resistor. It's set to about 20 millivolts. The upper trace is the output from the tone stack, measured right here, where it's exiting the treble pot and going into the 0.022 coupling capacitor. And you'll see what happens when I manipulate the volume control. Right now it's at about 3. Of course the voltage swing is greater. But what's happened to the phase here, if I adjust the position here, you can see, compared to the input signal, something has happened. It's not perfectly in phase anymore. And looking at the actual waveform, it seems to be okay. Let's see if we can adjust the focus a little bit, see if we can get anything, not anything really specific jumps out. Not to my eyes anyway. Okay. I'll take some more measurements in another video.